Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be talking about how you can use Monzo. So Monzo is a mobile banking app based in the UK that puts you in control of your money. With Monzo, you can optimize your budget, manage payments and subscriptions, and Monzo also offers a lot of other services just like overdraft, insurance, etc. to their customers. So in order to use Monzo, firstly you'll need to create your own Monzo account. So head over to monzo.com or download the Monzo app from your Play Store or App Store, and from there you can create your Monzo account for free. So once you have created your account on Monzo, there are mainly two ways you can use Monzo. One is with your Monzo card and another is through online banking. So from the Monzo's online banking app, you can make transactions and payments online. You can use the app to make payments. Another way you can use Monzo is via a Monzo card. You can use your Monzo card to pay for anything with money from your Monzo account. The first time you use your Monzo card, you need to pay by chip and pin. So the card comes with a 4-digit pin, so you'll have to enter the pin. But once you've made your first payment, you can use your card to make online and contactless payments as well. So while using your Monzo card, some countries use magnetic stripe or Magstrip. So basically, while using a Magstrip, payments will be made when you swipe your Monzo card on the Magstrip. So basically, you can use your Monzo card to make payments like these, but the option is switched off by default because Magstrip payments aren't as safe. So basically, you can use your Monzo card at any Mastercard ATM. So if you want to use your Monzo card, then you'll have to go to your nearest Mastercard ATM. So from the ATM, you can use your Monzo card to withdraw money as well. So in this way, you can use your Monzo account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any queries, then please make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.